Hey guys, my name's Isaac and today we're going to be talking about everything new with Apple. Just getting right into it, starting with 9 to 5 Mac. Somehow they have access to an early beta of iOS 14 and they have leaked a hidden glyph of Apple's over-ear headphones. There are two glyphs for a dark and light mode version of it. This could mean that the over-ear headphones set to release likely the first half of this year, but things are subject to change. Retailing at $399, it will come in silver and space gray. 95 Mac also says iPadOS 14 is going to be a complete overhaul. This includes a sophisticated mouse control, so when you're using either the trackpad or a mouse, right after you're finished using it, the mouse will disappear and it will bring on touch controls instantly. Earlier we talked about Apple introducing a trackpad on the new smart keyboard for the iPad. This will also bring two-finger tap to right click. All iPads are likely to support this feature. Ben Geskin is further predicting the new iPad Pro will come at the end of this month, and production for the new AirPods Pro Lite are going to start in early Q2 according to DigiTimes. Production and release, all of that is subject to change because of the outbreak. Apple has officially announced that WWDC is happening but completely online, so there's going to be no group gatherings at the Steve Jobs Theater, and we pretty much all saw this coming. Today's video sponsor is iMobi. Their software AnyTrans is insanely useful. AnyTrans by iMobi lets you sync your iPhone, iPad, iTunes computer, and it breaks the boundaries you'd normally have with iTunes. It exports your photos by category, albums, or the form of media like live photos or selfies. Usually if you try syncing music to iPhone from iTunes, you have to erase music and choose which way you want to go. iMobi lets you transfer music freely with no restrictions. What's great is that when restoring a new iPhone with your backup with iMobi, you can actually choose what is going to be imported on the spot. Unlike Apple's iCloud backup, which imports everything in your backup, and even if you don't want it, you'd have to go into your settings and select certain categories as a whole and redo the backup. AnyTrans offers 3 modes for backup. 1. Full backups, which helps users back up almost everything on their iPhone or iPad. 2. Incremental backup, which backs up only the parts changed, only the pieces of information that have been changed. And Air Backup, which backs up your iPhone or iPad automatically and wirelessly at a preferred frequency. When users want to restore their device, they can do it whenever they like. You can start your free trial today and select your choice of license starting at $39.99 for a year. Get iMobi today, link in the description and in the comments. Go for it. Front page tech says his unknown sources are claiming the iPhone 9 has been canceled, a lot of people are saying, but it's actually just been delayed to an unknown date. 5 sources are all fighting between either a June or a fall release, but they can all agree on that nothing is set in stone, they really don't know. Hell, it could happen. Summer seems likely because typically what's going on will die down in the summer, but then it'll come back, possibly even worse in the fall. So it could either be a summer, or I could actually see it happening maybe in the beginning of 2021 when they were set to release the iPhone 9 Plus. So we really have no idea, so if you're looking for a phone, like right now, I would just go for the iPhone 8 right now. Well guys, that's everything we know right now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and I will see you guys in the next video.